Hi, this is Sunil. Before I joining QSpiders, I don't have any knowledge about programming knowledges or Java, and I'm as a non-IT background. But I want to. My aim was to place any IT company, so I selected the JSpider Institute to get a better knowledge on my career and my growth. And after joining the JSpiders, I got a I got a lot of knowledge about Java and the testing tools. So I selected the Java for the development, and here the faculty is also very good. My faculty name was Shiva sir. He was a very good knowledge, and delivering the content is also very nice. For giving the real time examples and motivating the everyone to get job. And overall the my satisfaction was very good in JSpiders after joining. And after joining the JSpiders, I got a job in the DXC Technologies with the 3.6 LPA per annum. I was joined the JSpiders at November 2021, and I got placed at DXC Technologies at 17th December 2021. And I think my skills are, and I have improved a lot of more while joining the JSpiders. And this is all the overall about what I like from JSpiders. Thank you all.